floating blue planet. Someday we will learn to be together. When we come above ideas of nation.
We have a liftoff. All engines.
We will move to the rhythm of eternity.
Moving out. Clear the tower.
If we look out to the delicious colors of the earth, the water becomes clearer, invisible blue. The ground cleaner, pale and dry. The sun brighter. The light echoes in every heart. Every heart becomes one nation.
Let me call to express my very great admiration for your hard work, your total dedication in preparing for this first joint flight.
We become one nation.
Ready? It's taken us many years to open this door to useful cooperation in space between our two countries.
Despite the differences in the world.
And I'm confident that the day is not far off when space missions made possible
By this first joint effort will be more or less commonplace.
We are together as one in the nation. The trees, parks, benches, and people.
I congratulate everybody connected with the flight, and particularly the 5 of you who are setting this outstanding example of what we have to do in the future to make it a better world.
Deep inside the people, there is kindness that develops into a nation. We will learn to be together as a nation without borders.